welcome to my again channel, that is Talk to Invest. I hope so you all are great and fine. So I am here with you for sharing my view for the next week ahead, and we seen a closing of Nifty at 10,400 on Friday. So there is a choppy day. Whole the market is going into the consolidation mode. The 5 minute chart, if you see, this is the Nifty chart 5 minute. So uh, आने वाले दिनों में हमें क्या देखने को मिल सकता है? So what can happen in the coming days? So there are the two situations that the market either break this level, which I am going to tell you today, that this level is acting as a resistance currently, that is 10,450, and 10,000 currently taking the support. So on Friday there is a Dow future and Dow and the SCX Nifty opens down and closed around 800 to 700 points below. So there are a higher possibility on Monday we can open a gap down on 10,200. And if I move to the 50-minute chart or 30-minute chart, yeah, this is the 50-minute chart. If you see, the market is taking a support at 200 EMA of 50 minutes. So there are a higher possibility that we can open gap down on 10,200, and if we taking a support again 10,200, we can see a upward movement on Monday, also on Monday 10,400. So in this week we can see the what is the support level that market can take. The support level is, guys, is 10,200. If 10,200 breaks, the next support is 10,000. So 10,000 is the really crucial support for the market, and if the market wants to go upside, it can't break 10,011, and if we break it and sustain on down on 10,000, we can come up to 9,500 again. So there are a higher possibility that we can move above, as it taking 200 DMA support again and again. And on Monday, tomorrow, I can see, I will meet you on Wednesday, but tomorrow morning we can see a gap down because of US markets and domestic markets, they close on the upper side. So हमें देखने को मिल सकता है कि हम कहीं ना कहीं अपर साइड में 10,200 के आसपास, 10,350 के आसपास हम एक बार याद रखते हैं. 350 भी हमारे लिए रेजिस्टेंस की तरह एक्ट कर रहा है. कहीं ना कहीं अगर हम इन लेवलों के ऊपर 10,400, 10,500 के लेवल अगर हम ब्रेक कर देते हैं आने वाले वीक में, तो कहीं ना कहीं हमें 10,800 के लेवल देखने को मिल सकते हैं निफ्टी में. तो दिस इज माय ओपिनियन फॉर द निफ्टी. एंड इफ आई मूव टू द बैंक निफ्टी चार्ट, so this is the bank nifty chart, and right now as I show, the bank nifty also taking a 200 EMA support, and it breaks on Thursday, I guess on 24th. On Thursday it breaks and it moves on the upper side. So we can, if we sustain on this level, that is 10,21,000 is acting as a support for the bank nifty. And if we again come to 21,000, if we break it, and then we can see level of 20,000 below side of bank nifty. So as bank nifty is broke, is always a weaker section, जैसे कि बैंक सेक्टर हमारे वीक है, फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर टोटली वीक है, क्योंकि कोई अर्निंग तो आने रही बैंकिंग सेक्टर के पास. कहीं ना कहीं बैंक्स भी अपना इंटरेस्ट रेट कम कर रहे हैं जो फिक्स डिपॉजिट्स हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं इंश्योरेंस वगैरह भी, लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं है क्योंकि जॉब्स नहीं रही, कईयों के बिजनेसेस नहीं रहे, इसके कारण फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर वीक है. कहीं ना कहीं अगर हमें अपसाइड मोमेंटम देखने को मिलता है, इफ वी सी अपसाइड मोमेंटम in this week, then we need to break 21,700 or 21,800. If 22 level, if I talk about 22 level, is really crucial, and it there are higher possibility that we can break 22,000 in the coming days or in this on the month of July, and we can see 24,000 on the upper side or 23,000 on the upper side. Next level is that. But the scenario for bank nifty is that we can take 21,000 support, and on the upper side we can see 22,500. First of all, we need to see 25,000 breaks or not break. If it breaks, so we can see on the higher momentum on the upper side. So next stock I want to discuss is Mindtree, as I have discussed many times with you. but it gone on the Friday, but it's not sustains. So I move to the 1 hour chart. If you say the bank, the Mindtree taking a support of that is to 950, I guess. This support that is 941. If it sustains on the upper side 950, we can see on the higher side 985 or 1000 level on the upper side, and if it breaks 950 level, we can see 900 level again. So if market opens gap down, so it can open 900 level, or if it wants to go upper side, we can see a breakout of this level, that is 950, and we can again come to 970 on Monday itself. And second is Mahanagar Gas. As I go to the daily chart, so right now Mahanagar is taking resistance of 1100 on the upper side, and on the downside it is taking a support of 1035. So if I move to the 1 hour chart, the chart, if I go to the bigger chart, the chart is on the upper side direction as it makes a new high every time, and it is consolidation in the consolidation mode. In 5 to 12 days it is consolidation mode, and if we seen a breakout of 1100, we can see next target of 1250 on the Mahanagar. So keep on eye on this stock also. So Reliance is a really good stock, and today I get a news that Reliance started his new business, that is Reliance Wood. For the future, it is making a entry in a wood industry, so it can really helps us in the future. As I said, the Reliance is a really good stock, and right now it is in the consolidation mode. In the 5 minute, I go to the, yeah, it is giving a breakout of it. And if I move to the daily chart, right now it is consolidating 3 4 days, and right now it is making a doji on the upper side. So there are higher chances that if market goes upper side, we can see also 1700, 600, 1800 levels on the upper side. This is also the stock. And you can also watch uh, one stock, Infosys. Infosys could perform on the Friday, and we see a bullish green candle, and it all covers previous resistance. And if we sustain, if market comes down, it can't break this level, that is 729. And if taking a support of 729, we can see a target of again 748. If it opens gap up, so we can see next target of 775 or 7802 in the coming days. So keep an eye on that. So next stock is Landmark. So due to the injection which he discovered, the Gland Pharma is doing great, but it is consolidation after the rally. It is sustaining level, that is 435. So after 5 6 days, as Reliance moves, so this is also a gap. It almost filled this gap, but there are higher chances that it can't fill, and we see a higher momentum of 520 in the coming days. So keep an eye on that. That if 418 level is not break, so we can see 500 level or 520 level or even 560 level on the upper side. So if it breaks 417, we can again come to 316. So this is my view for the next week, and I have shared also some stocks for the next week. So I hope so you like this, and if you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. So if you have any doubt, you can type in the comment section. I will be there to solve your queries. And if you want to know more about the stocks, you can also uh, more videos on some topics. So you can also comment that, so I can make videos on it also. Okay, I will meet you in next video. Be safe and stay at home.